Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, by popular demand, you guys requested this thing. We're gonna find out if we should put the spices on the steak before sous vide or after sous vide. Let's see. Alright guys, and for that test we have these two beautiful steaks here. This is what we're gonna do. We have these two beautiful WAGYU steaks. As you can see, they are amazing. The marbling on the steaks is incredible, and you can see that ribeye cap in there is looking amazing. So this is what I have, guys. I have Neil Syrup magical powders, guys. This is one of the best things I ever tried myself. It's called Salty Sear Original Beef. It's for beef. It's amazing. It's really good. And we're gonna season these two steaks with this seasoning over here. The only difference is we're gonna season one before sous vide. The other one is gonna go into the sous vide machine without any season. And then when we take it out, we're gonna season that one and then we sear them both together. I think this is a fair test, guys. Two beautiful steaks, an amazing magical powder we have there. Let's go for it, man. So here we have them both. This one is with the rub. That rub looks beautiful, man. Look at that rub. That looks amazing. And here we have this one with no rub, and it's looking impressive too. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put them in the sous vide machine at 130 degrees for an hour and a half. Let's go. Alright guys, it's time to take them out. It's been an hour and a half and these babies should be ready. I have to put a glass with a little bit of water in there just to keep them down. So let's take that to the side. And let's get this baby out. It's looking beautiful. Let's put it on the side. And let's get this one out too. Alright. Alright, so here we have the first one, which is the one with the rub. Let's open it up and see what happened in there. Alright. Let's take him out. Oh, the smell is amazing. Smells really good. Now let's get the other one out too. And let's see what happened here. Alright, this looks like any regular sous vide steak with those colors a little bit off. But we also know that those are the right colors, and let me tell you something there. The smell on this one is amazing. It smells really herby, really earthly, really... I love that rub, man. That's a good rub. Let's go ahead, let's put the rub on the other one and let's get ready to grill these babies. Let's go. Alright guys, here we have the one that we just put the rub in. It's looking amazing, it's looking beautiful, and you can see those spices, man. They are looking amazing. Let me put it on the side, and then here we have the one that we sous vide with the rub. This one is looking amazing, smells really good. I think everything is ready to go. So let's light up that grill and let's go for it. Wow, Miss Ninja, look at these beauties here, man. This is amazing. I'm impressed at the colors, brother.
Yes, they are beautiful.
Really? Miss Ninja,
Yes.
smell this thing.
Yeah, I can smell.
That rub, guys, that rub is amazing. That rub is lovely. That rub is crazy.
Is that
guys.
from our friend Neil?
That's our friend Neil's rub. I'm gonna put a link on the description, guys. You guys can check that rub, and the smell on that rub is incredible, man.
Is.
It's lovely. It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's really
it's
good.
Earthy, spicy. It's amazing. But Miss Ninja, we have another experiment here today.
The lab.
Yeah.
Ninja's lab.
We have another experiment here today, and today again is about flavor.
Okay.
And we have number A and we have number B here, and you guys know what it is, so don't tell her, all right? Don't even mention it, all right?
Okay, let's try then.
Let me get the grass away from the steaks.
Oh, this time we have grass, no pine trees.
We have grass. And we can give it a good try.
Let's do it.
It looks amazing.
Ready?
All right, let's go for number A, Miss Ninja.
Let's go.
Wow.
Oh, wow. The flavor
Wow, guys.
is a rub, huh?
I'll tell you this. Don't put any salt on it. The salt is perfect.
Yes, it is.
Man.
No extra salt needed.
Wow, Miss Ninja. Talk about the flavor, Miss Ninja. Don't eat it. And let me put it back.
It's
She
alive.
will eat it. Talk about the flavor, Miss Ninja. That was amazing, bro.
I love it. I
Wow.
love it. The combination, like you said, all the spices and I can feel the charcoal. It's very strong and I love it. That's my favorite.
Man, we have some good pepper in there. We have so many spices. I can't even describe it, man. It's great.
Love it.
All right, let's go for number B, Miss Ninja.
Number B.
Number B, we have number B here. All
All
right, and I'm gonna get the little one for me too.
Little one. Look at that. How little.
Little one. Let's go for it, Miss
Let's
Ninja.
go.
Oh my God.
It's really good, but it changed. The intensity.
It is different,
Major difference.
but it's really good.
Yeah.
Wow. Man, which is your winner, Miss Ninja? Tell me which is the winner.
Number 8.
Number A is the winner for you, Miss Ninja. Like number A.
Flavor wise, yes.
I'll tell you these guys, I think they are the same. For me, they taste the same. It's crazy.
For me, I think A is intense.
A is amazing.
This one, the flavor went down a big notch.
I didn't. Something wrong with me? Let me try it again.
Probably. Too many
try a
days
little.
inside the house.
Let me try a little bit. Let's see. No, Miss Ninja, no, you are wrong. Oh my God.
Why am I wrong? Why? For me, it's number A.
Guys, for me, number A is amazing and number B is amazing, and both of them are delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Wow, I don't think it makes any difference. Let me tell you what it is, Miss Ninja.
What is
All
it?
right? Number A, we put the rub on it and we should be the heck out of it.
Okay, yeah, takes long.
And number B, we should be the heck out of it and then we put the rub.
Okay.
So both of them
gotcha.
has to be, and then we sear them both exactly the same. I feel the rub on number B, the flames hit the rub a little bit, but it's not a bad feeling, guys. It's an amazing, crazy taste. I love it. And number B had the same thing, a little bit less. I think the rub on number A penetrated the meat a little bit. I think the rub on number B didn't penetrate the meat too much, but it got toasted a little bit on the grill and it tastes great.
They're good. They're amazing.
Wow, that's an amazing taste. I would never guess. I always thought that number A was going to win by far, but it's not like that. Of course, both are amazing steaks.
Yes.
Both we use the same method, both of them. The only difference was the rub. And I want to thank Meat the Butcher for giving this steak to us. He sent it to us and they both look amazing. They are both Australian WAGYU MS6.
No wonder.
They are crazy good. And oh my God, man, they are amazing. But today, guys, today we have a special shout out.
Oh, yes.
We don't have a shout out share today for a person in the channel. We have a shout out share today for all the health and everybody involved in this crazy stuff that is going on right now in this
all
country.
Our heroes, which are the nurses,
the real
doctors,
heroes,
yes,
the people in the hospitals, the people dealing with this in the front line.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You
Thank
guys
you from
are
our
amazing.
Hearts.
You guys are crazy. You guys are the best, man.
Yes, they are. And good steak for all of you guys. We love you.
Yeah. So, guys, thank you so much for all the work that you guys are putting in. We really appreciate it. We really support you guys in everything that you guys are doing. And thank you so much.
From our heart, thank you so much.
From the little bottom of the heart.
Yes.
So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video and you like these experiments, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet and you like anything related to sous vide, grilling, smoking, cooking, WAGYU, picanha, all that crazy stuff, subscribe to the channel.
Yes, and don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys.
And if you have any comment, any idea, any suggestion, any comment about this experiment, have you done it before or might you be willing to do it? Any question about the rub, whatever, just put it down there in the comments, guys. That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you. Let's do this together and stay home and safe.
Stay safe, baby.